Hi guys, I'm Chris and welcome to Destination Hytale. Today we'll be going over and speculating about the Kweebeck in Hytale. So, the Kweebeck are one of the many races in Hytale. They are tree-like humanoids who are mostly passive and friendly towards players and will become some of your earliest allies. Kweebecks live under hollowed-out trees which make up large villages that can be found in the forest of Emerald Grove, Zone 1. The main parts of their homes extend out of the tree's limits, which makes them a bit more spacious. The Kweebeck worship the goddess Gaya, which is presumably the main goddess of Hytale. They engrave stones and even carve out effigies in pieces of wood they gather from ancient trees. These effigies are very precious to Kweebecks because it is formed from the wood of their ancestors and it shows the likeness of their goddess. Probably the most unique part about Kweebecks is their life cycle. They are born from seeds that fall down from trees. At first, they resemble a small seed-like orb with facial features and tiny limbs. The youngest Kweebecks are appropriately named the seedlings. They never get to meet their parents, but instead they learn about the history from tree singers. These are elders who tend to young seedlings as they take their first steps into the world. The seedlings eventually grow into adults and lastly into autumnal elders, which is the last stage of a Kweebeck's life. These autumnal elders are brown in color with wooden staffs and beards. As the Kweebeck's age, they grow slower and slower until they stop moving completely, release a burst of energy, and become much more like the trees they resemble. When an elderly Kweebeck adopts this new form, their seeds fall to the ground and form the basis of the next generation. Moving away from the Kweebeck's life cycle, but still looking back at the Kweebeck who help young seedlings become adults, we can suspect that there will be a few different Kweebeck types with different traits and even duties. We've already seen that some Kweebecks carry around razor spears and leaf armor, while others walk around empty-handed and tend to seedlings. Keeping that in mind, we can make out that there is a high possibility of Kweebecks having different classes. Looking even further into the Kweebeck lifestyle, we can notice that they have quite a few unique behavioral features. For example, seeking out bright spots and sunbathing to regain nutrients instead of eating. Also, as we already know, they will be mostly passive and friendly towards players, but bringing an axe or any other tool that may cause harm to Kweebecks will definitely get you into a bit of trouble. That's it for the video. I think we can all agree that Kweebecks will be one of the best and cutest creatures in Hytale, and I'm definitely looking forward to learning even more about them. I'm Chris, this was Destination Hytale, and I'll see you guys in the next video.